Come and have a look at this. Last week, when we looked at the tomatoes for the first time in weeks, we couldn't see the crop because of the foliage. Now that we've de-leafed it somewhat to let the air and the light further in, this is our regular variety, Shirley, doing rather well, nice trusses all the way up. This is the brand new one. This is the Harflower. Told us from a pal in the south, and he added a wee PS to his note. He said they ripen quite quickly as well. So here they are, and that's a fair set of trusses. The ultimate, of course, is, well, they taste as good, and that's a very subjective thing, isn't it, really? But the notice here is that these are in the new system of growing in beds. These are in these containers, and they're struggling a bit. That's hot, dry weather, dry conditions making them struggle. This lot are a little bit better. Well, now let's have a look at some of the varieties that have already started cropping. And I go first, of course, to Harflower, this new one. And I'm anxious to see how much flesh there is to the juicy bit with the seeds in, because if there's too much flesh and not enough of that, then they're a bit dry. This one looks about spot on, absolutely wonderful. And of course, the cherry tomatoes come in cropping rather more quickly. Here we've got Sun Cherry Premier, absolutely lovely, and a good balance here once again with fleshy bits to the juicy bits. And Sun Gold is an old favourite, always grow that because we like to compare new ones with the ones that we know well. And then finally we come to Rosella. Not a very attractive looking fruit, but I have to say to you that the colour doesn't put me off. Yellow carrots put me off, but the colour of these don't put me off because when you put them in your mouth, they just explode. Honest.